Imagine waking up to a sunny morning, only to have it turned upside down by a natural disaster. That's what happened to me during the 2018 floods. One moment, everything was calm and serene. The next, water was rushing into my home, turning my world into a terrifying whirlpool of chaos and uncertainty. It was a stark reminder of how quickly life can change and how important it is to be prepared. I'd always heard about floods, but never thought I'd experience one. The shock, the panic, the scramble to safety, it was all overwhelming. But amidst the chaos, I discovered a strength I never knew I had. I learned that survival isn't just about physical endurance. It's about mental resilience, quick thinking, and above all, preparedness. Since then, I've made it my mission to help others be prepared for such situations. Because when it comes to surviving the unthinkable, every second counts. Scene script. Let's hear from some of the experts in the field of disaster survival. First up is Dr. Sarah Thompson, a renowned disaster management expert. She emphasizes the importance of understanding the types of natural disasters that could occur in your area. She says, awareness is the first step towards preparedness. Know the warning signs, evacuation procedures, and nearby shelters. Stay updated with weather information, and heed the warnings of local authorities. Next, we have John Martinez, a seasoned emergency planner. He stresses on the need for a detailed emergency plan. Identify safe escape routes, meeting points, and emergency contacts. Ensure every family member knows the procedures and practice them regularly. Preparation is key and can make the difference between chaos and calm during a crisis. Moving on, we have Helen Kim, a survival kit specialist. She advises, prepare an emergency kit with essentials like drinking water, non-perishable food, flashlights, portable radios, extra batteries, medications, a first aid kit, and important documents. Keep this kit in a safe, easily accessible location, and ensure everyone in your family knows where it is. Our fourth expert, Mike Anderson, a structural engineer, talks about home protection. Make structural improvements to make your home more disaster resistant. Strengthen doors and windows, install support bars, and remove trees or objects that may pose a risk. Having warning systems like sirens or alarms can be life-saving during emergencies. Finally, we hear from Laura Patel, a veteran emergency responder. She highlights the importance of early evacuation. If authorities recommend evacuation, do it as soon as possible. Follow designated evacuation routes and take your emergency kit with you. Also, remember to take crucial documents like identification, passports, birth certificates, and insurance. Remember, these experts have seen it all. Their advice could save your life. Now that we've covered some basics, you might be wondering, what else do you need to know? Well, there's a lot more to disaster survival than just understanding the risks and having an emergency plan. In our upcoming videos, we'll delve deeper into the specifics. We'll provide a detailed guide on how to prepare an effective emergency kit. What essentials should it contain? How often should you update it? We'll answer these questions and more. We'll also discuss how to disaster-proof your home. From reinforcing your doors and windows to removing potential hazards, we'll provide practical tips to make your home a safe haven in the event of a disaster. And what about when evacuation becomes a necessity? We'll walk you through the steps, ensuring you're ready to act promptly and safely. Disaster survival is a broad topic, and we're committed to helping you navigate it. We'll be diving into these topics and more in our upcoming videos. The reality is, disasters are unpredictable, but your survival doesn't have to be. It's all about preparation and staying informed. This is your life and the lives of your loved ones we're talking about. It's not something to leave up to chance. That's why we're here, bringing you detailed guides and expert advice on disaster survival. From understanding the risks, crafting emergency plans, assembling survival kits, to fortifying your homes, and even knowing the right time to evacuate, we cover it all. But we can only help if you're here with us. So if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Let us help you stay ahead of the curve. Be proactive, not reactive. Equip yourself with the knowledge and tools necessary to face whatever Mother Nature throws your way. Don't wait for disaster to strike. Subscribe now and get ahead of the curve. Stay safe